I don't know, it feels better actually. It's sort of tricky.
When you're
But yeah.
okay, so what you can do when you're playing is if
Mhm.
let uh, point to where can you locate a spot where it hurts? With
Well, when I yeah
okay, so there.
yeah.
All right, so stick your finger there for a moment.
Mhm.
Now move the thumb around and see if you feel any muscles moving underneath that finger.
Yeah.
Okay, that sensation of those muscles moving,
Mhm.
can you retain that sensation even though you move this finger away? Can you still focus on that spot and feel those muscles moving there?
Mhm.
To the extent that you're able to do that, you're now giving this an actual massage.
Oh.
And while you're playing piano and you're
Mhm.
using your thumb, think the whole time that I'm not playing Brahms, I'm massaging that spot. And you can then use the piano
Right.
playing to make the pain go away rather than to create the pain.